Isabella, can you sing the ABCs for Mommy?
A, B, C, D, Mommy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come on, sing it. Come on, Isabella.
A, B, C, D, H, G, H, J, 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 L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, number A, B, C, I.
Now I know my ABCs.
Next time, three.
Yay, Isabella! Isabella, sing this song. Sing the song that Anna says. Сорока.
Сорока кашку варила. Isabella.
Come on, sing.
Сорока Elvira.
Кашку варила.
Come on, sing it.
Деток кормила. Этому дала. Этому дала. Давай. Сделай пальчик. Этому дала. Этому дала.
Isabella, come on.
Собаке не дала.
Come on, sing. What song you want to sing?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
W. Y.
Z, A,
Now I know my.
A, B, C, H, I,
Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay, Isabella! Yay! You're such a good girl. You're such a smart girl. Isabella, you love school? Do you love school? What? What are you saying? Huh? What? What are you doing? What? Anna, do you know what Isabella's saying? I don't know what Isabella's saying. She's being silly. You're being silly? At the dollar? Huh? What are you saying? Can we count in Russian? Yeah? Okay, let's count. Ready? Раз, два, три. What's next? Come on. Четыре, пять, потом шесть, семь, восемь, девять, десять. Yay! One more time. Come on, ready? Do on your... Один, come on, count. Look at the camera. Один, три, четыре, пять. Come on, tell me, what's next? What's next? What comes after 4. 5. Say 6. 7. Look at the camera, Isabella. You're putting Mommy's shoes on? Are you dancing? You dancing in Mommy's shoes? Huh, Isabella? Izzy. Izzy busy. What you doing? Come here, you're gonna hurt yourself. Take those off. Come to Mommy. Where are you going?
This baby shoes.
Yeah, those are Mommy's shoes. Come here, come to me. Come here, blow a kiss to the camera. No, I can't see you. This way. Come here, blow a kiss to the camera. Come here, I can't see. I can't see you. Blow a kiss to the camera. Can you say, I love you? Say, I love you.
My dress.
No. Mommy's going to tape, okay?
Mom.
You want to tape?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you tell me about school, Isabella?
Yeah.
Who's your friends at school? Tell me about your friends at school, please. Isabella. Who's your friends at school? Matthew. Matthew's your friend, right?
Lipstick.
You want lipstick? What are you going to do with the lipstick?
What's that?
That's a paper.
This paper?
Yeah. Can you tell me about your friends at school?
Yeah.
Who are your friends? What are their names? What are their names, Isabella?
What's the names?
The names of the kids you go to school with. Of the children in school. Matthew and who else? Shoshana. Who else goes to school with you? Who else? Tell me. Can you tell me who goes to school with you?
I want this.
You want that? What is that?
Mommy lipstick.
Mommy's lipstick. Wow. What do you do with Mommy's lipstick?
Open the sticker.
You open it and where do you put it? Where do you put the lipstick, Isabella? Huh? Can you tell me where you put the lipstick? I'll open it. 1 minute. Yucky. Where are you going to put the lipstick? No, don't put that in your mouth. No. Yucky. Don't do that. Yucky. Here you go.
Yucky.
Can you tell me about the kids at school? Who do you go to school with, Isabella?
Barty.
Matthew?
No.
No. Who's in your class? Matthew? And Dean?
Dean.
Shoshana?
Yeah.
Shoshana? Is Shoshana your friend?
Dean is gone.
Dean is gone? Where did he go? Where did Dean go? Isabella? How about Maura Rachel and Maura Galit? Can you tell me about your Mauras?
Marcelo.
Maura what?
Marcelo.
What?
Marcelo.
Maura what?
Marcelo.
I didn't understand. Tell me one more time.